Hey my friends, welcome to Quiz Dino! Today, Dino will play Find the Odd One Out Junk Food Edition. If you're a junk food lover, then this video will be a fun challenge for you. Dino prepared 40 questions for you in easy, medium, and hard levels. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. The first question is the easy level. Where is the odd ice cream? Great start! It's hiding right here. Try to find the odd emoji. The odd one is here. Next question. There it is. Who has eaten a piece of pizza? Can you name this food? It's onion ring. Find the different cupcake emoji. Bingo! It's in the second row. Can you see the odd one out? That's it! You've found the different one. Let's find a different burger. Hooray! Here's this one. Question 8. Which emoji doesn't repeat? Correct! This muffin chocolate is unmatched. Guess the food by emoji. You did great! It's cookie. Spot the distinct cookie. This heart cookie is for you. Which emoji is not like the others? Well done! The odd one in the first row. Which one is the real Burger King logo? Exactly! C is the correct answer. Can you spot the odd one among these sandwiches? You did great! Dino is proud of you. How about this one? Of course, here's the odd one. Where is the odd hot dog? That's the hot dog without vegetables. Let's keep going for the medium level. Do you know this food? Wonderful! It's French fries. Let's continue. Oh, that French fry is smiling at you. You're so good! Let's keep going. The odd candy is the one on the left side. Let's find a different apple pie. Bravo! That's a pie without apples. What's your answer? Time's up! It's hiding right here. Guess the food with missing letters. What is this? It's gingerbread. Can you solve this one? The odd one is here. Where is the odd emoji located? Here's this one. Find the odd chocolate. The odd one is here. Easy, right? Rank the chocolate. Do you like it? What did you choose? Let Dino know by leaving a comment below this video. Next will be a memory test. Remember the position of all emojis. Have you memorized it all? Now tell Dino where the gummy bear is located. Great! The gummy bear is hiding under number 3. Take a closer look to find the odd emoji. You got it right! Find the noodle emoji out! Hooray! Here's this one! The next one! Let's check the answer. Can you see the sushi in this picture? Here's this one. Turn to a hard level. Be careful. Aha! There it is. What about this one? Wonderful! It's hiding right here. Find the different emoji. Here it is. Can you guess this brand? It's carambar. Have you eaten it yet? Can you find the way for Dino to get the candy? Candy is so yummy. Thank you for helping. Find the odd milkshake. It's a different emoji from the rest. Keep it up! Let's check the answer. Ready for the next question. Time's up! It's hiding right here. Can you spot the different emoji here? Amazing! Here's the answer. Last question. Would you rather eat junk food or healthy food? Good job, friends! How many levels did you pass? Please comment on your score and Dino will summarize those with the highest scores in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to not miss more interesting challenges. Hope you have fun and see you in the next video. Goodbye!